Welcome to ArchViz Ascent. I'm Farzaneh, and you're about to take the first crucial step into the world of photorealistic architectural visualization. I have great news for you. The software is completely free. You can import models from all modeling software, and even use assets from other render engines like V-Ray and Corona. Even with the rise of AI, Unreal Engine is indispensable because its unique real-time and interactive capabilities give you complete control to truly bring your designs to life. But before we can create amazing projects, we need to get the software installed. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing both the Epic Games Launcher and Unreal Engine itself. Let's get started. I'll search for Epic Games on Google and go to the Epic Games Store. In this section, I'll click on Download and allow the launcher to download. Now, I'll double-click on the launcher and give it permission to install on my computer. This part might take a little while, as it downloads about 600 megabytes. Once it's installed, we'll see a page like this. Since I don't have an account yet, I'll click on Create an Account. After creating an account, I'll just enter my email and password in the section, and I can easily access my account. Now to create a new account, after clicking on Create an Account, I'll enter the day, month, and year of birth that it asks for. In this section, I'll also enter the other information it asks for, such as my country, email, first name, and last name. I'll also choose a display name for others to see and a password that I can remember. Finally, I'll activate this box to show that I'm aware of the terms and conditions. In the next step, it wants to make sure we're not a robot, so it asks us a simple question. For example, here it has asked me to select the option that is different and click on Verify. After this step, it sends a code to my email, and I must enter that code in this section. And just like that, my account was created. To install Unreal, I'll click on the Library tab. From this section, I can choose the Unreal version I want to install. I'm choosing version 5.3 because of the packs I have, and it works really well with this version. You, however, can choose newer and higher versions. In this section, I also have to activate the box to acknowledge the terms and conditions. In this section, you can change the installation location of the software. I'll choose the default C drive. And just like that, the installation process begins. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a while. From this section, we can also check the progress of the software download and installation. And just like that, it's installed. Enjoy! Congratulations! You've successfully installed Unreal Engine, and you're now ready to start your journey into real-time architectural visualization. The next step is to get familiar with the interface and basic tools of Unreal Engine. You'll find a link to the next tutorial on your screen and in the description below. If this guide was helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the ArchViz Ascent channel. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Feel free to ask any questions about the installation process in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.